So I'm going to do a video, and I want it to be normal silence so you can hear what it sounds like. And so this is normal with no noise, no background noise, just me. But right now the cicadas in June 2024 are coming out by the millions. And they have been buzzing and drilling and screaming and carrying on. So we're going to go outside and show you just how loud that they are. And I'm sure they'll be louder if you lived in the complete woods. I have trees around the house, but not like total woodsy. So let's go out and see how loud that these suckers are. They're up in the trees up there. Way up there in the trees. I looked up earlier and I could just see them swarming up there. I don't know if I can pick that up or not. Are you guys seeing it? They're just absolutely flying around, swarming up there. Now, those cicadas are about 40 foot above me. Well, some are down on the ground with me, you know. But I'm about 8 inches away from the phone, so you can imagine how loud they are, considering you can hear them probably even with my voice. They're 40 foot away, at least, and I'm about 6 inches away. Let's go out in the front yard and I'll show you a pile of them that have already accumulated and died. It's just unbelievable. So right here, they are all over this peony bush right here. Look at all of them. Now you can imagine if they're on the bush here, on the leaves that much, what they must be like up in the trees where there's millions more leaves. And yes, they are alive. So let's go over to this tree right here at the base of it. And I can tell you, it kind of smells here. Kind of stinks. Look at all of them here. Let's get on over to the tree. Look at all those little brown dots. Those are cicadas. Yeah, you can imagine it starts to smell after a while. So imagine there's this tree with them scattered around there. There's a tree down there, and all them trees in the back. Yeah, they're just screaming right now. Here in Western Kentucky, Calhoun, Kentucky. It's like almost June. Like May the, well actually it's May the 17th, I think it is, 2024. I don't see them on the tree leaves here, but they're up there. Well, that's probably about enough. If y'all hung around for almost 5 minutes to watch this video, congratulations, y'all are awesome. Peace out, Hot Rods Woodshed.